Okay, Siddharth, let's proceed ahead with your HR for Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. And let me start with your brief introduction now.
Sir, my name is Siddharth Bhomik and I belong to Silchar, Assam, and I have done my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Silchar. After that, I joined B.Tech in Civil Engineering from NITIE Silchar, and my uh, in my internship, I have done my internship in PWD building, where I have learned the construction process of piling and the construction of rough foundation. Then in my B.Tech project, my 7th SEM project was analysis and design of 4-story residential building using StatPro software. And in my 8th SEM project, my project title was analysis and stability of slope using Plexi software. Now, this is my project details, and that's about, sir.
Okay, Siddharth, when did you graduate?
So in 2022.
22. And what were you doing last year?
So actually in last year, I was preparing for GATE.
Okay. So any other option you explored?
No, sir.
Okay, so any other PSU you got call from?
But till now, I have not got any call. Only EIL I got.
Okay, do you know what company, what type of company EIL is?
The EIL is basically a construction company which deals with engineering, procurement, and construction. And EIL has developed many projects in our country, and EIL has also done the projects in overseas also, like in Nigeria. It has constructed the Dalgot refinery, and in especially I belong to Assam, so in Assam also EIL is doing a great job, like it is building one of the India's largest biofuel refinery for Assam biofuel refinery in order to minimize the use of fossil fuels, and it works with in collaboration with the CSIR Dehradun.
Okay. So now tell me, this is what do you understand by you are a civil engineer, right?
Yes,
Siddharth?
yes, sir.
What do you understand by construction management?
So construction management is basically how we deal with the construction, means how we develop a procedure to, first of all, for a construction to be executed, we have to first make a proper strategy. Like we are using a proper method, like we can construct a network to create a proper planning strategy for different phases of construction. We have to deal with this, like what are the manpower resources, what are the construction machinery that is required. So properly we have to manage all the processes.
And what do you understand by mega project, Siddharth?
So mega project is a project which is a very which deals with a very heavy means resources, like we need huge manpower resources and machineries to construct a project, and it requires a huge attention in order to execute the project.
Okay. So when we talk about the project, then there are some phases in which project is accomplished and completed. Can you tell me about those phases?
Just suppose we are constructing a building, suppose, then first of all we have to make a we have to make a survey of the means the area. Then we have to go for the means the we have to deal with the what are the type of soil. We have to investigate the soil first. Then we have to make a project report of the means of the plot area. We have to make a plan on the means for the plot for the building. Yeah, then we are going with the structural design part for the building. Then a detailed TPR is made, detailed project report is made, and this is sent to the higher authority, where it will be means it will be they will give permission, or they can give the order. Then
Mm.
after that, we can execute the process on the field. Like
Mm.
for firstly, we have to deal with the foundation work. After that, we can build the superstructure.
Mm. Okay, so this Engineers India Limited, our company is actually working in different projects. Once the project is completed, Siddharth, we will be sending you for new consultancy project. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is how it keeps on going on. So why would you prefer this kind of work profile rather than a stable work profile in some company where you are working on the same project for many years, maybe?
Yes, sir. EIL is basically dealing with that major means for the different type of project it is constructing. So it will be a very important for me to learn new things because in EIL we can learn different things. We are working in different projects, so we would like to learn the different things. So it is very very helpful for me to enhance my knowledge. Unlike other PSUs where we are working on the same same profile, so which is not very means learning new things not possible. So in EIL we can learn new things at a very fast pace, which is important for means developing a career.
Okay. Siddharth, now tell me couple of reasons why you are suitable for this particular profile. Why you think so?
So I am a very hardworking and dedicated person with good problem solving skills, and I'm a quick learner. And
Mm.
in my internship experience and B.Tech project is relevant with the job profile. In internship, I have learned how the construction process is executed and how the how the process is done. So this is important for the job role. And in my B.Tech project, as a team leader, I have guided my team members, and I and my team members have successfully completed the project. So I think that I am a good team worker, which is important for the job role.
Okay. Okay, Siddharth, let me give you the feedback now. Siddharth, see, Engineers India Limited is a consultancy company, right?
Yes, sir.
You are to project in such a way that you are interested in projects and consultancy and these kind of domains may you are interested.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I advise you is like start going through the document which we have provided you and also their website
Yes, sir.
and just see that where you start liking it. And that should be reflected in the interview. That's what I want to do in the project and that is where I want to go. So that should be reflected in the interview also.
Yes, sir.
And you have to show that what project you've done in graduation and that you know how you have done that project. That part should also be there. Little
Yes, sir.
energy level is to be enhanced in your communication. Energy level was low
Yes,
and
sir.
fluency is to be improved. तो फ्लुएंसी एनर्जी लेवल थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करो और ईएएल के बारे में जानो और प्रोजेक्ट जो आपने बीटेक में किया उसका नॉलेज थोड़ा सा एक्वायर करो बेसिक
Okay, sir.
सब्जेक्ट्स नॉलेज एक्वायर करो और जो एचआर के क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जाते हैं उनको
Yes, sir.
लिख लो एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड द बेस्ट आंसर फॉर दैट
Okay, sir.
एंड प्रैक्टिस करो जितना बोलने की प्रैक्टिस आप हमारे साथ करोगे उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जाएगा
Answer.
right like you will be going for HR with Shubha madam also Kavita madam also me also so start
Yeah.
doing it right
Yes, sir.
okay okay Siddharth.
सर मेरा एक क्वेरी था सर.
हाँ
सर अगर अगर मतलब एचआर ने एचआर में पूछे कि अगर मैं ईआईएल में मतलब अगर सिलेक्ट नहीं होता हूँ तो क्या मैं दूसरे पीएसयू के लिए भी अप्लाई करूंगा क्या मतलब तो इसमें कैसा आंसर देना चाहिए
आपने बोला कि सर मैंने अप्लाई किया है दूसरे पीएसयू में आई एम अप्लाइंग obviously sir because as of at this moment of time I need some job so I am applying in other PSU also
सर?
but Engineers India Limited is the best and it meets my requirement which I may not get in other PSU so you tell them straight
ओके सर.